mean, I love home shows. I think it gives us a good opportunity to get out there and, let customers know exactly what they're getting with us. With Aero, we want your customers to know exactly what we have the capability of doing. Yeah, I've been to a ton of them, and I mean, a lot of them have a lot of similarities, but for the most part, I mean, you can get a lot of great information from any single home show. You can definitely run into some different opportunities to see some different things at any home show that you go to. So, and it gets our brand out there. I mean, the number one thing is getting our brand out there and making sure that people know who we are and what we do. So we try to represent ourselves well at our home shows and make sure that we have good people there representing our company at the home show. The main thing about the home show is making sure that we can come out to your house and figure out exactly what we're gonna be doing inside or outside of your home. At the end of the day, we wanna show you what separates us from every other company out there. We wanna show you what kind of service that we offer, and we wanna go above and beyond for our customers. That's what we focus on.